What causes seasons? If you want to be one of those people who gives the wrong answer so people laugh at them, you will say,
when the sun is closer to the earth, it is summer.
Wah ha ha ha! Wrong! Wait. Wrong! Wrong! Hold it closer to you.
Well, I wonder what you should do.
Wrong. Wrong. The sun is not closer to the earth in the summer. What causes seasons? Seasons are caused by the earth's tilt. The earth is tilted 23 degrees on its axis. It looks something like this. See how the axis of the earth is tilted 23.4 degrees off center. This is a simple diagram. Please keep in mind it is not to scale, but it shows how the earth's tilt remains the same as it orbits around the sun. 23.4 degrees. 23.4 degrees. 23.4 degrees. 23.4 degrees. The Earth's tilt causes the seasons. Let's look at it more closely. Again, this is not to scale, but it shows how the sun's rays strike the earth when it's tilted 23.4 degrees. Here is the equator. Here is the South Pole. Here is the North Pole. Can you see the sun's rays as they hit the earth? In the northern hemisphere, the sun's rays hit much less directly. The northern hemisphere receives much less sunlight. In fact, look at the North Pole. It doesn't receive any sunlight at all. In the winter, the North Pole has no daylight. However, on the South Pole, you can see that the South Pole receives a lot of sun. Summer in the southern hemisphere, winter in the northern hemisphere because of the Earth's tilt. Let's look at it again. On the other side of the orbit around the sun. Here, the Earth still is tilted 23.4 degrees. But when it's on the other side of the orbit, now the sun's rays hit the northern hemisphere more directly. Look at the North Pole. The sun's rays hit the North Pole the entire rotation around the axis. The North Pole in the summer gets daylight all day long. And you can see in the northern hemisphere, the sun's rays hit the northern hemisphere much more directly, so they have summer on this side when the Earth is orbiting on this side of the sun. In the southern hemisphere, it's receiving much less sunlight and it's winter in the southern hemisphere. Oh, let's close the gap. The Earth's orbit around the sun, as the Earth orbits around the sun, its tilt determines whether the sun's rays hit directly or indirectly. It's the tilt that determines the seasons as the Earth orbits around the sun. What causes seasons? seasons
are
caused by the Earth's tilt.